Here we go, guys. We're gonna try and clean this filthy interior with the Hoover vac and some solution and see how it turns out. First dirt brew coming out, guys. That's all the coffee spill espresso that was on the carpet. Look at that. That's just gross. Now on to the next one. Yeah, there's just, it really is a farm vehicle. Okay guys, this is the end result. All the dirt stains are gone. What you see on there is all the rust stains that couldn't be taken out of the cloth fabric for now, or just some that didn't get worked over there. But overall, it's a pretty good result from how the car was looking before. It had massive coffee stains all over here, oil stains here, there. It was a pretty good work vehicle that got really smashed on a daily basis, but this is more than pleasant result with just some elbow grease, some OxyClean, and carpet cleaner. Just a Hoover basic one at home. Didn't even rent it from a crazy shop or anything. The results are incredible. Farm vehicle is getting back to the city life slowly.
The sediment after you dump the water.
Wow. Look at this here, guys. Passenger footwell's the same. It was all filled with mud and coffee stains, and it looks a lot better. Maybe the camera lighting isn't doing it justice. Camera lighting is giving it more of a brown hue, but it's all gray right now. Looks like a normal car carpet. Not disgusting as before. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep giving you updates on the ML as we do these little jobs here and there. I still have to clean all the panels and the plastic to make it look somewhat decent. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.